Alright, what's good with y'all, man? So look, today we're gonna be actually putting in a battery into the BMW 328i. So I just want to show y'all a quick way of how to put it in there. It's actually quite simple. So let's go ahead and get straight to the video. Let's go. Alright, so when you want to take your battery out, now mind you, yours is gonna look more like that. I take this thing off just because I'm trying to get it out of there. So first thing first, you're gonna have to come over here to this thing. It's gonna be like that. Pop down. You just pop it up. You're gonna unscrew that bolt. You don't gotta unscrew this one. You don't gotta unscrew that one. Just unscrew that bolt. Now that one is a 10 millimeter. So I'll either just get a 10 millimeter with a little ratchet. Put it straight on there. Got that off. This one is, if I'm not mistaken, an 8. Nope, it is also a 10 as well. So you can get a 10 millimeter on that and get that off as well. Now I already did it, so I'm gonna show y'all the time. So I got mine off, so we just pull that off, tuck that, just pull this off, and tuck that. Now, mind you, I made it look very simple, but if you still have this on, this sits in here like that. What you have to do is just pry this up and pry the other side up, and then you'll be able to slide the whole mechanism up, because this helps it locks onto the battery. So I'll take mine off and I just put them on top. Once I get done, it's just a lot easier for me. Also rig some stuff up because my thing in there blew out, so I'm waiting for a new one of those to come in to see if that is also causing my no crank, no start issues. So after you do that, next thing you'll want to do is come in here and just push that right on out. A lot of times you can put your finger here and pop it out. See, easy. Put your finger right on the top. Push down with it, pop it straight on out. Stop. So you take those two out. Now, there's one here and the outside there. And mind you, you can just always rewind back to see how I took it out and just put it back the same way as that. But it's quite simple. It's always the blue on the outside, and then the red one. The red one, red or black, however you want to look at the black one on the inside. So outside, inside, blue. Black, black, blue. That's all you gotta know. So that's the main part. So I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this out of there. And y'all can see me hassle around with this a little bit, because you also got let me see in here a little bit. You got a bolt right there that we gotta get to. And you also gotta take out that vent wire for your battery as well. And then we'll be able to just slide this right on out. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. So sorry I ain't gonna get y'all no video of me actually pulling that thing out, but basically you just have this little thing right here. So what you want to do, just go ahead, put a little ratchet on there and get that thing off. I had trouble getting a ratchet in there, okay? Because it was so small, I just ended up using an adjustable wrench. Put that adjustable wrench on the top of there, and I just go on took her to town on, you feel me? Just took her to town and I got it off. So next thing we're gonna do is put the new battery in. So that's the old one, that's the new one. Now I went to AutoZone and got these batteries. They told me that this fits the car. It looks totally bigger, but I don't know, I think it might fit in there. So what I'm ready to do now is go ahead and put this in the trunk, and I'm actually gonna see if it fits in there. Something tells me it's gonna probably be a super freaking snug fit. And yeah, but we gonna get it done, y'all. So I don't want to just keep saying the same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead, pick this up, put it in there. I'm gonna pop her in there. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. Y'all can stay on here while I do it. If you don't want to watch me do this, go ahead and fast forward a couple seconds to the good, nitty gritty. We're gonna get it done. So oh my gosh, you heavy as shit. Shit, I should have used these, cuz. Damn. Ready to squish that bitch up. Alright, so line her up. Now, by the looks of it, looks like it does fit. It's gonna be tight as I don't know what, but looks like it does fit. So get that on that. Take these, pop these off, set that in there. So probably had to hold this up like this and kind of work it in there a little bit. Feel like it's a little rusted down there. I don't know if y'all can see or not, but Something tells me eventually I'm gonna probably have to replace those two things down there too as well, just to get probably a better connection overall. Anyway, that might be where my shortage should be coming from. The cap could be just something that simple. So we're gonna keep checking it. We're gonna test it. So I got a new battery, so we can actually test out the electronics in the 328. Because right now the 328 is having a no crank, no start issue. So I changed the starter, new intake, manifold gaskets, and all that stuff. She did have a recent valve cover gasket, but that was actually like a couple years ago now. But she been saying so. I'm gonna see about that. So I might get another valve cover gasket and all that stuff. You'll see me do that again. But we're gonna test it out, y'all. We're gonna see what we're gonna get, y'all. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this. Y'all can watch me struggle a little bit, but I'm gonna put this bitch on time lapse so y'all don't see how much I'm struggling. You feel me? All right, y'all. So look, man, we in the BMW 328i, man. And look, man, I've been chasing this no crank, no start. Sorry, y'all. I probably should brush my teeth after I drunk that red dye. But don't judge me. Don't crack up no jokes. Please don't talk about my teeth, huh? But it's okay. Either way, man, look, we've been chasing this no crank, no start, and it's BMW 328i. I don't know what the fuck the issue was, but I tried everything. Put a new starter on. Polished off all the connection points. I mean, as far as like the grounds and the power wire that runs to the starter, clean off with all those. Put the new battery in here because I've been trying to actually diagnose this shit by trying to jump start the car. Battery was totally dead. Jumper cable was a little bit like broken off, so I don't even think that was probably the reason why it really wasn't really starting. So anyway, we put a new battery in here. And we're gonna see what's going on. You know, we're gonna see what's going on. So that's where we at right now, y'all. So see, you got the new battery in. I do got some codes on there, which I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the scan tool, figure out what them codes are saying. Hopefully it give me a little bit of guidance as far as what might be going on. Me personally, we're gonna see. So let's go ahead. Moment of truth, y'all. Moment of truth. And see that? I don't know if she gonna catch me. I don't know, but look, she cranking her. She trying to get there, y'all. She trying to get there. I mean, the gas is pretty old too, so that could be some of the problem too. Oh man. But getting there. Getting there. Oh. That's something burning a little bit. Might be old oil. I ain't clean all the way off. Gotta get a tune up though, especially when you don't spark plugs. I told you she was smoking at first, but all the oil burnt off. I mean, that gasket tipped up good, baby. Just like put a new gasket on her, just to put on that gasket, clean her up a bit, baby.